In this video lesson, I will show you what is a pip value calculator for the Ethereum against US dollar. A link for this pip value calculator will be below in the description, where you will see a pip value calculator and also an article that explains how these calculations are made and also how to use the formula for the base currency, for the quote currency, or for any other currency that is as a deposit currency. You will also have an example how to calculate a pip profits for the Ethereum against the US dollar when you have a price difference. Let me show you what is a pip value calculator, and then I will show you on the right side, directly on the trading platform, how to open a new order and also how to use a pip value calculator to calculate the number of pips. First is field for the number of pips. I have put 1 because I would like to calculate the value for 1 pip. Then you have instrument. I have put here Ethereum against the US dollar. Then you have the number of units. I have set that I would like to have 100,000 units, which is also equal to 1 lot for Forex pairs. But this one is crypto, it's not Forex, so I will change this value to another number I will show you later on. Then you have a deposit currency, and deposit currency represents what is the currency of your trading account on the trading platform. You can see here on the trading platform I have US dollar as a deposit currency, so I will leave US dollar as this one. If you have any other currency, simply change this one here by using a drop-down menu. Then you have here Ethereum against US 1 pip size, which represents at which decimal point of the currency pair price is a 1 pip. So it says here on the second decimal point, inside this price is 1 pip. When you go to the trading platform, you can see that the current market price is 1794.44. So the second decimal point, and where the number 4 is the number of pip. When this change, that means the price is changing by several number of pips. When you click calculate, you get the value of 1 pip. That means a price change on the second decimal point, you get $1,000. But have in mind that when you have a crypto, you need to go here inside the trading platform, click right mouse button where this currency pair is, click specification and click what is a contract size. You can see that the contract size represents the number of units for 1 lot. So that means that 1 lot is equal to 1 unit. So inside this one, you need to change this one here to be equal to 1, because when I open a new order, I would like to use volume 1 lot. When I sell by the market, I have here a new order open, where I have here a column that shows me the number of pips and also the profit in US dollar. So if you would like to have the same values as I have here on the trading platform, so size should be 1 as 1 unit, and also I would like to check how much is equal to 1 pip. When I click calculate, it says that 1 pip on Ethereum against US dollar is equal to $0.01. So when you have minus 250 pips, for example 250 pips, click calculate, you get that you have $2.5, which is the same as on the trading platform. And that means that you can use this pip value calculator to calculate how much pips you would make or lose on this trade. So if we change this one, let's change this stop loss take profit to, for example, 100 pips, which means 10,000 units. Let's put this one here. Oh, it's a little bit too far. I have put 1,000 pips, sorry. So for example, I have put 9769 number of pips, and when I put here this one, I get $97.69. And that means that this take profit would be equal to $97.69 if this trade closes with take profit. This means that you can use this pip value calculator to calculate how much pips would be equal to in US dollar before opening an order. So this means before opening an order, you could calculate how much money you would make or lose on this trade based on the number of pips. So if everything is okay, if you are okay with the stop loss and take profit, you can simply open a new order with this number of pips set as a take profit or stop loss. So this is how to use this pip value calculator. You can change the number of pips here and click calculate for any deposit currency you would like. If you have any questions regarding this Pip value calculator, simply leave a comment and I will try to answer your question or make a new video to explain a little bit better. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!